Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add new backgrounds with Canva AI Background Generator. Let's use this image as an example. Start by clicking on the image in your Canva design. Select the BG Remover tool to delete the current background. Then navigate to the Edit menu and choose BG Generator. Next, write a descriptive prompt for the new background you want to create. Click Generate to let Canva AI produce multiple background options. Browse through the generated images and select the one that best fits your vision. To refine the background, click the sun icon to adjust the lighting type or intensity. Once satisfied with the adjustments, click Done to apply the changes. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.